Hello guys, and in this video I want to show you my encryption system. So I name it IDK, so I don't know, you understand me of course. So I want now to explain what he do before start, because some people don't know what is an encryption system at all. So to explain that, I have two text documents, me and order. Just to explain, let's see, I have crush and I want to send her a message. Let's see, something like I know I'm bad in writing, but hello there, I want to tell you that I love you, and say very much, and to something like that. So I have this message for her, my crush. If I want to send her like this, so copy and paste here. She can read it, but the problem is everyone else can read it too. So I'm afraid that maybe some of my friends take a look of that, and I will not be happy for that. So I will just don't send this and go to my encryption system like this. Can you come here like this? I will open my app and let's wait it for a while. Yeah, this is our little boy here. So I will go take my text and see. You see here, welcome user, use the from statement to IDK translator, or use the from IDK to statement translator here. We will use the first one, and I will take me. I will take my text, my message, copy and paste here, as what you can see, and I got this, so no one can read it, alright? I will take it like this and go to the other, hello, yeah, and I will send her this. She can't read it too, but I will give her the application so she can use it too. I will take it, Ctrl R, and I will copy it. She will go here, put it here, and ready to translate. And she got, hello there, I want to tell you that I love you so much. So after that she will give you another letter and tell you I love you too, and something like that. But if you are like me, someone who spend hours here trying to figure out how to make a program like this, so don't think of that, and don't even think that you will think of that, okay? So I will show you something why I'm using that from statement to statement and not a language, English or Arabic or something like that, because this encryption system work with all languages, so no need to worry about it. And that's why I will try to go to Google Translate, okay? And if you aren't Arabic, please don't worry, this is English and this is Chinese, the classical Chinese. So I will go here and put my text, maybe, copy and paste here. I will take this like that, okay? I will, let's see if very much, okay, something like that. I will go to this app, go here, delete all this, and yeah, I will translate it. I will take it like this and Control C and go here, Control V and read to translate, and I will take this again to see if it's work. Go to Google Translate here and like this. Hello there, I want to tell you that I love you very very much. Very much. So yeah, and I want to show you something with just with English without this Chinese thing. Just XD here, no, XD, something like that. Okay, and yeah, okay. So I will translate this. As what you can see, this is QZD7Y and something like that. Greg is Y in French, so I'm sorry. Y4T, so I will translate it again, and you can see it's not the same. Again, it's not the same. It's not the same. It's not the same. So it's always change. That's why it's powerful. That's why, and I can always take the same one and go here. Take all this. Yeah, XD. I will translate to another one, not the same, and I will take it like this. Copy and paste here. And yeah, that's what I mean. So thank you for watching this, and if you want to send a message for your crash using this, please don't use it. I want someone who can use it in real world projects or something like that. We can have a deal, okay? Thank you for watching.